6 FI Team 15s on 2 B2M1Us.
Okay.
2 JY Black Case 80s. Magman 325 Custom.
Did you build this?
Need a box design? Visit Car Stereo FX Designs and use discount code JacobViral there, as well as at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I'm doing a YouTube video. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
I go by Wayne, and there's 4 FI teams, or 6 FI Team 15s on 2 B2M1Us.
Okay.
2 JY Black Case 80s. Magman 325 Custom.
Did you build this?
No, it was pre-built.
Pre-built. What is it tuned to?
So far, from what we came up with, around 38 hertz.
38 hertz?
So.
Yeah, man, what do you think you're metering? What would you say you metered?
When I metered yesterday, it did 58.7 on music.
Wow, right here?
Yep.
Nice, man. Congrats. What's your goals out of it?
I want 60s on music. As soon as this gets better, I got it.
Yeah. You're dropping down, what, low 12s, high 11s?
Yep. Well, low 12.
Low 12s, not 11s? Okay. Can I see that? Is the amps open in the back? Awesome. Nice. Okay.
I think so. Yeah, I know. That's what yeah, man.
Are these at 0.6 or 1.3 where you wired to?
I'm at 1.33.
1.3? First, okay.
Yeah, no, it's up in the building, so.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. What's your goals out of it?
I want 60s on music. As soon as this gets better, I got it.
Yeah. You're dropping down, what, low 12s, high 11s?
Yeah. Well, low 12.
Low 12s, not 11s?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.